Techniques of arms control and disarmament. There are 6 techniques which are mentioned. 1. Treaties and agreements. 2. Verification and monitoring. 3. Confidence building measures. 4. Disarmament and demilitarization programs. 5. Non-proliferation efforts. 6. Arms trade regulations. Treaties and agreements. Arms control and disarmament are often achieved through international treaties and agreements negotiated among states. These legally binding instruments establish specific obligations, limitations, and verification mechanisms to control the acquisition, possession, and use of weapons. Verification and monitoring. Verification plays a crucial role in arms control efforts. Techniques such as inspections, monitoring, and information exchange are used to ensure compliance with arms control agreements. Verification measures may involve on-site inspections, satellite surveillance, data sharing, and other means to verify compliance with agreed-upon limitations. Confidence-building measures. Confidence-building measures, CBMs, are aimed at fostering trust, transparency, and communication among states. CBMs include exchanges of military information, notifications of military activities, regular consultations, and joint military exercises. These measures help reduce misunderstandings, manage crises, and promote dialogue between countries. Disarmament and demilitarization programs. Disarmament programs involve the reduction, dismantlement, or destruction of weapons, military equipment, and infrastructure. These programs may include stockpile reductions, decommissioning of military facilities, destruction of weapons, and demobilization of armed forces. Non-proliferation efforts. Non-proliferation measures focus on preventing the spread of weapons of mass destruction. These include export controls, sanctions, diplomatic efforts, and cooperation among states to prevent the illicit transfer of weapons, sensitive technologies, and materials. Arms trade regulations. Arms control efforts may involve the regulation and control of international arms transfers. This includes establishing criteria for arms exports, controlling the transfer of sensitive military technologies, and implementing arms embargoes to restrict the flow of weapons to conflict zones or countries with human rights concerns. It is important to note that the specific techniques and approaches used in arms control and disarmament can vary depending on the context, the type of weapons involved, and the political dynamics between states.